Okay, so you've filled your oil. You've checked your oil, but you didn't reset the light. Have you been hit with that dreaded oil change sign when you've accidentally forgot to reset it whilst doing an actual oil change? If so, get into the vehicle, press your ignition on, press both throttle and brake, okay, for about 15-20 seconds. We'll hold that now in real time. Service oil reset in progress. Keep the pedals pressed down. You can see the oil light's on now. We should get a bit of a ding and tell us it has been reset. It's done it, it's going back through it. I've pressed it too long, but hold on. When this drops off now. I'm still holding the pedals down. It says complete, my bad, I didn't read it. Put your foot on the clutch. Start the vehicle as normal. And that has now gone away. So as simple as that. That's a nice little easy reset for you all. Focus RS Mk3 owners. I'm not sure if it applies for the standard Focuses as well, okay? But yeah, so when you change your oil, make a note of it and always reset it in the car, okay? Because that's not what I did. Well, I didn't do that and I came up, and you learn something new every day. Nice easy tip trick for you, and I hope that helps.